That looks so gross.
They're good though.
Oh my god. Deep fried Oreos.
Give me a plate. Right over there.
I got
Dude,
shit.
I don't want to burn. Plate out of there.
What? Don't you have...
No. Plate out of there.
I
What did I say?
thought you had like paper. Oh my god, that looks gross.
They're good.
Pancake Oreos. Why'd you have to globulate all the crap on there?
It's harder when you can't drop it down in there.
That looked like a face.
Oh,
It looks pissed off. It's angry.
I should have put Oreos in there while I was doing it that way. We can have more. Remember, there's 4 in there just so we don't get them lost or anything. That would be bad.
Make him drip off so it's not so globby.
Dude, you can't because then there won't be any. It won't be fried. It'll just be an Oreo in a skillet.
Get it away from that.
We'll
Look,
do one at a time.
it
so I
looks
can
like
do
it
better.
has a dick.
Shut up.
Whatever. Get it away.
This one's better. Oh, I'll turn it
I
down.
don't know about this stuff.
Oh, get that powdered sugar away from here. It's on plastic and not sugar there. Dude, put some
I keep drinking it. Aunt Jemima.
You're still filming?
Yeah.
No,
Aunt Jemima.
you scared me.
Pancake Oreos. No.
It's not cooked yet.
I'm gonna try one of these.
You need to do that.
No, I don't want to try it.
I'm gonna put sugar on it first.
Lauren Birdiette Keats.
Don't say my last name.
I don't even say
if you
it
do
right.
that.
Oh, caca.
You
Into
scared
frying
me.
pan. Out. In. Out. Gushers. Home sweet home. It doesn't zoom in.
Not when you're on video.
Poo poo. Get it away from that. Get a fork.
You don't need a fork. Oh, you made me screw it up. Now there's not gonna be any batter on that side.
Oh well. Kick it up a notch.
It's hot enough. You want me to burn them?
No, I'm squirting Emerald. Kick it up a notch. No, he does bam. Bam. Bam.
So weird.
Bam, bam. Whammy.
We're not on the Flintstones.
Bam, bam.
Oh my god, you almost scared me. Ow!
That's why I said use a fork.
I don't want to. Because I'm cool like this.
Whammy.
How many of these am I making?
I
Just
don't
keep
know.
going until we're out of batter.
Oh my god.
I'm just kidding.
Do something funny. Make a face. It's deformed.
I'm trying to connect it that way I can make an actual pancake.
Obviously. Get it away from the glob. You killed the face. It's dead. Frank.
Frank.
I named
named
it.
it?
I named it Frank.
Oh God.
He's dead.
Dude, stop filming because the thing won't upload if it's that long.